Hey everyone, Working Weston here. Today I'm going to show you the easiest, most reliable way to make crispy potatoes in your oven with the least amount of effort. With that being said, let's get to work. First thing, grab your bag of McCain Extra Crispy Super Fries. Just kidding. What you'll need is a pot, a knife, a peeler, a cutting board, a baking sheet, of course your potatoes, an oven, a mixing bowl, oil, and salt. First thing is to cut towards your thumb and never towards your chum, or something like that. Peel your potatoes, get all the skin off, and then start cutting them up. I like about 1-inch cubes. I think they give you the perfect compromise between a creamy interior and a crispy exterior. Next, fill your pot with water and salt the water. You're going to want to boil your potatoes for about 10 minutes, enough that you can stab a fork through them without them falling apart. You may have heard of adding baking soda to your water to make your potatoes crispier. I tested this. It turned the potatoes a dark brown color and made them taste not very good. And it makes your pot boil over very easily.
What the?
Set your oven to 450 degrees, and while that's preheating, drain off your potatoes. The goal here is to get them as dry as possible. I like tossing them a lot because it gets the exterior all roughed up, and that's what makes them really crispy. Next, put them in your mixing bowl and drizzle them with oil. You don't need a ton, just enough to coat them. Spread them on your baking sheet. You won't need to cover your sheet because the oil will stop them from sticking, and then season them to taste, salt and pepper. Put them in the oven and set the timer for 20 minutes. What we're going for here is a total cook time of 1 hour in 20-minute intervals, flipping every 20 minutes. As you can see, after an hour, they are golden brown and extremely crispy. I hope you enjoyed this straightforward how-to video. Hit like if you like potatoes and subscribe if you don't. Comment below on your favorite way to eat potatoes. You can also find me on Twitch at Working Weston. With that being said, I gotta get back to work.